heart. Sometimes they change, they play their part. Let's talk about them, come and see all the emotions inside of me. Feelings, feelings all around. Ups and downs, they can be found. Happy, sad, or even scared. Let's talk about how we're all prepared. When I'm feeling happy, I laugh and I play. I smile with my friends every single day. I feel so good, I can jump around. With happiness, I can't keep it down. When I'm feeling sad, I might need a hug. Sometimes I feel a little snug. I take a deep breath and let it out. Then I know I'll be okay without a doubt. When I'm feeling angry, I want to shout, but I know deep breaths help me calm down. I count to 10 and then I see. I feel much better, just wait and see. Feelings, feelings all around. Ups and downs, they can be found. Happy, sad, or even scared. Let's talk about how we're all prepared. When I'm feeling excited, my heart races fast. I can't wait for the fun to last. Jumping and laughing, I'm full of glee. Excitement is a feeling so wild and free. When I'm feeling scared, I might feel alone, but I know I'm brave, I'm not on my own. I'll face my fears, and soon I'll find the courage inside me, peace of mind. When I'm feeling shy, I may hide my face, but I know that I'll find my space. Slowly I'll try to speak and stand tall, and I'll feel brave, no fear at all. When I'm feeling loved, I feel safe and warm, like a cozy blanket free from harm. I give a hug, and you'll see, love is the best feeling, full of glee. Feelings, feelings all around. Ups and downs, they can be found. Happy, sad, or even scared. Let's talk about how we're all prepared. Feelings, feelings, you're not alone. We all have them as we've shown. Happy, sad, and all the rest. Talking about feelings is always the best.
Let's learn and play together. Do subscribe for more amazing videos.